Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're working on a Chevy Malibu. However, you may have a Chevy Cruze, Chevy Impala, or a different manufacturer. The error codes that we're going to cover in this video cover a wide variety of actual manufacturer vehicles. So in this video, we're going to talk about the C0035, C0040, C0045, and C0050. Let's take a look. All right, YouTubers, at the vehicle now, a Chevy Malibu, and in the event that you have a C0035 error code, that is your speed sensor or hub assembly for your driver's side front. You will need to inspect that. In the event that you get a C0040, that is your passenger front. And in the event that you get a C0045, that is your driver's side rear. You will want to inspect the hub assembly and magnetic ring and speed sensor on that tire. And the last one is your C0050. That is the passenger side rear. And again, is alerted in the event that your magnetic ring inside your hub assembly has failed or has missing parts, or your speed sensor has failed. So we hope this helps. In the event that you get the C0050, we actually have replaced that side rear hub assembly, which came with a brand new magnetic ring installed on it. And we will leave a link down below in the comments section. Definitely check that video out. You may find it very helpful. From here, do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that would be awesome. Thanks again for watching. And in the event that you need to replace that hub, we'll see you at the next video. Again, down below in the comments section is a link.